So I'm with Jesus right here. Jesus, what are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm making music.
Making music?
We're gonna start La Cumbia now.
There's gay shoes right there. And this is Evelyn, the leader. Actually not the lead singer because she's not the leader.
No.
David, this is David. A ver los ojitos.
That's ojitos.
Jesus, what do you use right here?
Me?
Yeah.
Okay, so I use a flashback, which is one of the modern delays that are out in Guitar Center now. So if you want to go buy them, I don't know how much they cost, I just bought it. But, this is the Busta Grande. It boosts your grande sound. The MXR 78 distortion, I don't use it that much. I use my yellow distortion, which is also my MXR, but it just gives it this really tight sound. This is my volume. It's a VP Junior. I didn't want to get the regular VP because the regular VP is like this huge. This is a crybaby because it cries a lot. Here's my baby here, and this is the amp I'm using for today.
Careful, careful.
And I'm playing the best band in the world, KFC.
Isn't it AFC, dude?